Okay. Fuck off.
I need to see. I need to see what this is like.
Yeah, you're gonna see. It's like moving without asking you to move. It's doing weird shit.
You might have to give the...
Yeah, you might have to give the keys.
Here we go.
Okay, this is going to be interesting. Okay, so I can go up and down.
Yeah.
Oh my god!
We are gonna die.
Oh, I see. Okay, I kind of...
Yeah, you see what's going on?
Maybe we need to be up more before you start.
But I'm scared to go up more in case, like, we die.
Yeah, but I think because of the movement, it's gonna be easier in the air. I think.
I just don't understand. I get what you're saying. I don't understand. Oh. Oh, I think I got it. No, I don't have it! Ah!
Oh fuck, oh fuck, oh fuck,
Oh no!
Oh no!
Oh no.
Oh no!
How am I the only one that's dead?
No.
Yo, should we call you?
Oh my god, look at all my blood. Oh my god.
We need to get his car.
Wait, I'm lost. Where was the car? It was right there, right?
That way.
Okay, let's go.
Oh my god, that was so funny.
Are you cautious? Still breathing?
I can see colors and...
Oh no! We gotta be fast.
Oh my god, that was fucking hilarious. I was like, I've got it. I haven't got it. I thought I killed us all. Oh my god.